To Eric.
Okay.
So Eric to Kara.
Stay right here with me.
Whose sheep got the radio like this?
Don't press the button, Braxton. Because they need to speak to each other, okay?
Gut. Hi.
Hello, hello. What are you doing behind me?
Who said that?
Okay, let's walk down a little bit.
Okay.
Don't press the button.
I got it.
I know, it's like,
Oh.
Stay right here.
one tire down
Let's
there.
listen to Eric.
Yeah, you done, man.
Let's go to that. What's she messed up? That one?
I don't know who got stuck, baby.
I think so.
Somebody stuck down there, so they went to help. But they'll be okay.
It was the big bomb.
Look, Mommy and Bernice are coming. You see her Jeep?
No, that's Denise.
Yeah, the one behind this one.
Look at that big head.
Yeah.
The big fire. What's this? They say you can hold this. Are you good?
Say good job.
Good job. I get on. Here comes Denise.
Yeah, and your mommy.
And here comes Susan.
Says Denise is a pro. We don't worry about Denise. She's a pro.
Yeah, she got this, doesn't she?
Oh, yeah.
Look at
She's been doing this stuff for years.
Why not far first?
Look, she's coming. No, don't throw that.
one
You
of
can hit
ours?
somebody.
I don't think
Look,
it is.
look at Denise driving.
They're stuck in the rut.
You gotta make sure you tell her, good job.
I like watching the suspension or the front axle.
It's a piece of cake for Denise. Look at that. Yeah.
Good.
Say good job.